Hi everyone. Through this video we'll see how you can link your Karvy or Karvy through Aadhar linking. Karvy covers almost 19 mutual funds, so linking this would help you to cover most of the mutual funds if your mutual fund is listed under Karvy. So open this link. I'll enclose the link in the description below. So after opening this link, you find this screen. There you find a checkbox consent. Just click on check so that you agree to the terms as saying whether you are under Aadhar Act, etc. And the online linking process starts with entering PAN. So enter the PAN details. So after entering PAN, click on generate OTP so that an OTP will be sent to your mobile and email. So you can see a text below saying that and will be sent to both. So I have received the OTP. I'm entering the OTP and I'll click on validate OTP, the button next to OTP section. So after clicking on validate OTP, it'll ask me for the Aadhar number, and you can see that my Access Mutual Fund is listed under Karvy. So I'm entering the Aadhar number. So I have to enter my name as per Aadhar name. I'll click on submit. Thanks for providing Aadhar number. We'll send Aadhar number against your PAN post authentication. So I have received a confirmation message from Karvy saying that the Aadhar number will be validated against my PAN post UIDI authentication, and a communication will be sent to my mobile and email ID regarding this. If you want, you can do it through online linking process as I have just shown you, or otherwise through linking through SMS is you have to send ADRLNK space PAN, your PAN, and space your Aadhar number space Y to 921993399. I will mention this text in description below, and this will link your Aadhar Karvy related mutual funds. Okay, so this way you can do it, or if you want, you can download the Aadhar linking form and submit at the Karvy branches. Okay, so this way you can fill in and link your Aadhar card with Karvy related mutual funds. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries related to Aadhar linking to your mutual funds and any other tech related query, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a fantastic day.
You say you wanna try, but you never